You see that? We're getting rain. We need it. We need it bad. Yep. Been busy. As the box new RAM came in, more box of fiberglass and crap. So basically, when it comes down to my boat, I made poor decisions with the upcoming weekend. I didn't think about that. No, it's not a bent rudder, it's not a broken stuffing box. I beached it out. There's sand in the step, the bottom part of the rudder. It's something simple. Get a diver, start small. I started small. I should have just hauled it out first. So once I figured out what was wrong, and then hauled the boat out, I took the rudder stuffing box out, and I took the rudder out. I took the step out, and I took it all to the machine shop. And the machine shop said, yeah, well, we can have this for you 1 to 2 days. And the machine shop I went to, they don't weld. I get it. They focus on this. And the guy they uses focuses on that. So, I was on the road. I was headed home after I dropped everything off the other day. And I got a call saying, oh, the welder is on vacation. Sorry, I didn't know. I said, okay, I don't know a welder, so hang on to my stuff. I don't know if I misheard him, if there was miscommunication, but my rudder shaft is made. My old rudder is with it at the welder's shop, locked up, and the welder is at camp. I can't blame the guy. I'd be at camp right now too, probably. No, I'd be hauling traps. The price we got right now, I'd be hauling traps. Yeah, I'd be hauling traps. These guys, these machinists and welders, they work on people's junk all the time. At some point they say, nope, I'm done. I'm going to camp. No, I'm taking my kids fishing. And so he's up there fishing with his kids. Good for him. Great, that's freaking awesome. My emergency, it's not an emergency. My problem is not his problem. He'll deal with it when he comes back. That's what it boils down to. So I'll get my stuff probably Monday, Tuesday, more like Tuesday. So realistically, no, I'm doing Wednesday. I'll get my stuff Wednesday. Be in the water Thursday of next week. Today is, what is today? Today's Thursday? I don't know. Yeah, today's Thursday. The 1st? 2nd? I'd look at my phone, but you're looking at me, so I can't turn it around. I can, but it won't tell me the date. So yeah, it just adds up to bad timing. The breakdown right before the 4th of July, and you want stuff done. It don't work that way. Just gotta accept it and deal with it, and they'll be fine. Sounds like the price of lobsters is going to hold. The cruise ships, they cannot get enough lobsters at all. Sounds like the price might go up again. So even if I miss out on the big price, it doesn't sound like it's going to drop much even after the 4th. It looks like we'll actually have a solid price going through this summer. That could change, quick. But there is zero backlog of lobster in the freezers and the pounds. So if demand stays high, the fishermen will make out, but what they sell the things for just doesn't make sense to me. Memorial weekend, my boat price was $6.50 a pound to me for live product. I drove 2 hours north, and it was $16.50 a pound for live product. The middle guys, they need to come down on the price. They need to sell more, keep the demand up. The price of bait, the price of traps, the price of wire, the price of boat, the price of paying crew, everything's going up on my end. And this is the first time I've seen the price come up to where you can be like, okay, we can buy stuff to make improvements. So this fix I'm going through doesn't hurt that bad. It just kind of sucks to have a 0 week, because you can't make back a 0. I don't care what anybody says, you'll never make back a 0 week. But yeah, the middlemen kind of suck. They don't always pass it along. But they do have a lot invested. They got many trucks, many workers, high insurance. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking about this one wrong. But I feel like we have to get the price down on the consumer end and somehow get the price up on the fisherman's end. If we can keep the price on the fisherman's end, so it's great right now. $4.50 to $5 to the boat, year round. Don't hold into that. That'd be a lot better than what we usually get. I gotta think about this one some more. The last time I hauled it cost me $600 a day just to leave the dock before I paid my crew. And that last week, my crew made $1,200. 4 days worth of work. They were 7-hour days. That's not the norm for lobstering. You've got your ups and downs. How would you explain it? How would I explain that? Maybe like growing hay. You only make money when you sell it. If you have good growing conditions, you can cut more often. And then, I don't think that works either. I'd really like to figure out a good way to say it. Either way, I have a really good chance to make a college kid some decent money with some hard, honest work this summer. And that's pretty cool. I like making people money, and I really like spending money at local businesses. Because the more I make, the more I spend, the better stuff, equipment I end up with. But I spent that money somewhere, so... There, that's my ramble. I hope it makes sense. You guys have a good night. Happy 4th of July weekend.